Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for Bloomin Jewels, also known as Wax Barn. I've done a ring reveal probably at least a year ago on my channel. They have some new stuff and they kind of changed things, so I thought I would order some products. So I have a few here. They also had a promo going where I got, if I can open it, some boho rings that were like a little freebie add-on. Okay, so the first one is just kind of a plain band. It is a little bit textured. Would be a good thumb ring if it was bigger. And then the second one has kind of an opal stone. So those were my freebies with my purchase. And this company is a little bit different. Their jewelry isn't actually buried inside the products. I must say they package this really well though. Here's the first product. You can get bath bombs that come in these little jars that I love reusing. This one is called Sugar Peach. Pop, peel, and escape. So, yeah, you just literally, the ring or whatever jewelry is in there, and you just take the lid off, pull that back, and get your jewelry out. So I will be doing reveals and demos because I have not seen how their bath bombs work. I believe when I tested their products, they only had candles at that time. So that will be interesting. Here's the next one that I ordered. This one is called Netflix and Chill. I thought that was funny, so I got that one. And I will be putting probably both in the tub, just so you can see how those interact. This one has a white flower with a piece of jewelry. So same as the other one. I don't remember how long it took for shipping. I mean, it wasn't like as long as Fragrant Jewels, but it also wasn't like super quick either. So somewhere in between. So these are their... It says bath bomb jar. That's not accurate. I think these are just wax melts because that's what they look like. And they are called Myrrh Moments with a blue flower on top. Oh, that smells really good. I like that. I like how they're already chopped up for you. Pretty cool. And I keep re-injuring my poor little thumb. I know you guys asked about that. I don't know what I did to it, but I keep hitting it on everything since it's my dominant hand. So that poor thing's never gonna heal. But here is what their candles look like. And this is a candle, not this scent, but I reviewed one of their candles like this before. I'll link it below. But this one's called Aloha. Pretty blue flower. I like how the flowers kind of go with that. I'm gonna take a whiff. That is a nice fruity smell. So it says Wax Barn. So I will be doing demos of all these. If you guys are interested, stay tuned. I'm gonna start a playlist for this company since I now have more products for them. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.